It wasn't expecting from Apple to do this with iPhone SE3. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Do you call this phone iPhone SE3 or iPhone SE2 or even iPhone 8? No difference except one. The price tag of 3 variants of this phone was unexpected. Apple just don't want to try a better thing for the iPhone SE3. You can expect same thing with a more price. iPhone SE3 launched yesterday and you can pre-order now and it will be available in the market on 18th of March 2022. But Apple is kind of weird when it comes to iPhone SE because they didn't even mention the battery capacity of this phone. Not on their official website, neither in live event, and not on Apple official blog. But the market they wanna jump into is very competitive. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you guys okay with these pricing of new iPhone SE3? Apple came out with 3 variants of iPhone SE3, 64 gigs with 3 gigs of RAM for $429, 128 gigs 3 gigs of RAM for $479, and 256 gigs 3 gigs of RAM for $579. Yes, crazy, right? We was expecting to get around $300 price tag, but it's a lot. If you're expecting to get 256 gigs of iPhone SE3, then think again, because you can get iPhone 12 mini with A15 Bionic Chip just for $599 on Apple official website. Now either you need an old 4.7 inches display for $579 or you can go with the iPhone 12 mini that comes with a 5.4 inches display and a lot to offer compared to the iPhone SE3. Now if Apple is charging $429 for base model, then why not just go with the iPhone 10 R design or iPhone 11, because with that you can justify the price. But Apple makes this more expensive than its predecessor, the iPhone SE2, which was at $399. Apple just put the exact same design in the iPhone SE3. Now if you have that small phone, just 4.7 inches display, how would you properly use your A15 Bionic Chip? I mean, nobody would ever think of playing FPS games on this phone. Yes, it's a powerhouse, but you cannot use this at its full potential. Only one lens on the back, powering 12 megapixel and 7 megapixel selfie camera. Yes, it is a budget phone, and if you're on budget, then surely go with 64 gigs of variants for $429. But you need to think about it fast. Either you are getting this for a day-to-day usage, or what will be your prior aim behind getting this phone. This is one of the fastest budget phones you can ever get in the market, but surely not the best design or having a best user experience you can get out of this phone. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you guys okay with these pricing of this new iPhone SE3? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.